To calibrate the clamp of Dolphin XP007, we'll need a 2.5mm probe. Now stick the probe in and tighten up. We'll use the number 25 key blank for the calibration. Insert the key into the clamp and tighten up. Then we'll use a guiding block. After that, we will need to pay attention to these two indicator lights. This is the prepositioning switch knob. If it's down, you can move the probe. If it's up, the probe is stationary. Keep the probes at the same height level. Roll down the handle to see if the two lights are on simultaneously. This knob is used for macro adjustment. Turn the knob counterclockwise. It will go down. Clockwise will lead to going up. If the two lights go on at the same time, it indicates the height is ready to go. You can also try to press different positions. If one light is out, and now you press harder, it's out. It's perfectly normal, and there is no need to adjust again. Now we'll turn to horizontal calibration, and we will do an X-axis calibration first. To start, the probe needs to touch the edge of the key. If the right light is out, roll down the handle and rotate the handle clockwise. There are two screws in position 1 and position 2, and we need to adjust the screw. Now the right light is out. We need to tighten the screw in position 2. If the left light is out, we'll need to tighten the screw in position 1. Now try to slide the jar. Both lights are on. Tighten the left screw. Now X-axis calibration is down. Next, we move to Y-axis calibration. Keep the handle fixed. For Y-axis calibration, we'll need to adjust position 3 and position 4. Now the left light is out. We'll need to loosen position 3 and tighten position 4. When both lights are on, the clamp calibration is finished. After calibration, we will try to duplicate the key for you guys and demonstrate how XP007 works.